In this video, we will program deadbands on the iGrow 1800 controller. The deadband is the number of degrees the temperature needs to drop from the lower boundary of its current stage before it switches to the lower stage. Without deadbands, equipment tends to cycle frequently and constantly on and off. And in order to keep the equipment from oscillating, a deadband is employed when the temperature is between stages. Now, to get to the deadband programming screen, from the home screen, hit Enter Menu, then go into System Setup, and then right below Cool Heat Stages, set up deadbands. Now, by default, the 1800 deadband is set at 1 degree, so that when the greenhouse is attempting to return to normal temperature from C4 to C3, the controller will use a deadband, and for this example 1 degree to keep the equipment from oscillating off and on. Now, when the temperature drops below the cool set point, the system remains in cool 1 stage until the temperature drops below the cool deadband. The concept that we described for cooling operate in the same manner for heating. For heating, it is the number of degrees the temperature needs to rise above the temperature boundary before it switches to a lower heating stage. One important note is that you want to keep your deadband width smaller than your stage width. If a larger value is used, set points may not be maintained. Typical values for deadbands might be between 1 and 2 degrees. Now, to change your deadbands and to maneuver in this screen, Next and Previous allow you to move, and plus and minus allow you to change numerical values. And we'll go to the rel-hum deadband. Now, the relative humidity deadband is the percentage the humidity must drop below the dehumidification threshold before exiting the dehumidification state. Same applies with humidification. The percentage the humidity must rise above the humidification threshold before exiting the humidification state. B heat, or bottom heat, deadband is the number of degrees the bottom heat temp must rise above the bottom heat temp set point or threshold before, for instance, the heat valve switches off. Bottom heat deadband is also used if you're using microzones. Now, a typical value might be between 1 degree or less. And once you have set your deadbands, to save, just simply hit back 3 times till you get to the home screen. Now, from the Lincoln 1800 view, from the main screen, you will go ahead and choose the Configuration tab. And then on the list on the left, you will choose Deadband Settings. And here is where you would change your deadbands, simply using the up and down arrows, or you could just simply highlight and change numerical values as well in this method. And to save, just simply hit Update to save your changes. And that's our video in programming deadbands on the iGrow 1800 controller.